Okay, so this video is going to show you how to go in and make changes to the articles. So when you first log in, this is what you're going to see. So you want to come over here to Content and Articles, and then you'll come into Announcements. From in here, you can click into here, and then you can type whatever you would like it to say. If you need to put something into a table, you do that here, and you can choose how many columns and rows you want. And then if you need to add more rows, this puts a row above the highlighted one where your cursor is. This one puts the column before and after. You can also go into here make it a little bit bigger. You can go to Table Properties, and you're going to want it to be 100% width of the page. You can kind of see these lines here. And then you'll want to try to even these out along the width. So if there's 4 of them, you're going to want to go to Cell Properties, and then you'd want to go 25%. And then via line, you want to do top. That way what will happen is if you type something in here that's multiple lines, and then something here that's multiple lines, they'll start and stop at the same spot. This is the bold, italic, underline. When you're all done, you can hit save or save and close to take you back out. I'm not going to hit save because this is just a test. I'm going to hit close. It will automatically time out after 15 minutes. This is actually how you would also go in and change any other forms. If you need to change forms that are uploading, let me know because there are some tweaks that you need to do to that.